Imagine walking into a garage and seeing not one, not two, but 10 timeless classics waiting for their next chapter. From rare muscle cars to beautiful cruisers, today we're exploring some of the most iconic rides ever built. And the best part? Each one has a story to tell. Whether you're a lifelong gearhead or just love the beauty of vintage design, this list will have you hooked from the very first car. So buckle up, because this journey through classic American steel is about to begin.
Number 1. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle 454. Our journey begins with one of the kings of the muscle car era, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454, located in Cincinnati, Ohio, and priced at $60,900. This particular Chevelle is finished in tuxedo black with bold white stripes, a combination that screams power and style. It's packing the legendary 454 cubic inch V8, one of the most feared engines of its time, delivering raw power with every press of the throttle. What makes this one special isn't just the motor, but the details. It features a 12-bolt rear end with 3.31 gears, factory-correct exhaust manifolds, and the unmistakable horseshoe shifter on the automatic console. The interior has been completely refreshed with brand new black bucket seats, new door panels, a new dash pad, and even a new tack and gauge cluster, so everything looks and feels like it just rolled off the showroom floor. And let's not forget the stance. Sitting on new 17-inch torque thrust wheels wrapped in performance tires with a deep dual Flowmaster exhaust that delivers that perfect muscle car growl. This is the kind of Chevelle that turns heads on the street and steals trophies at the car show. Number 2. 1967 Mercury Cougar. Next, we shift gears to something you don't see every day, the 1967 Mercury Cougar, listed in Tuckerton, New Jersey for $15,000. When Mercury introduced the Cougar, it was meant to be a more upscale cousin to the Ford Mustang, aimed at buyers who wanted a little more refinement with their muscle. This example has around 80,000 miles and has been tastefully updated for better performance and reliability. Up front, it's got a brand new aluminum radiator, slotted disc brakes with a new booster, and a new carburetor to keep it running smooth. The car rides on staggered wheels, 17-inch rims in the front and 18s in the rear, giving it a modern, aggressive stance. Add in new bumpers, dual exhaust, and rebuilt sequential taillights, the signature feature of the Cougar, and you've got a car that combines classic style with modern drivability. The interior also shines, with a flawless dashboard and updated components that make it a joy to drive. For $15,000, this Cougar represents one of the most affordable ways to get into vintage American muscle while still enjoying some everyday reliability.
Number 3. 1958 Chevrolet Bel Air Impala Sport Coupe. Now, let's roll back the clock to one of the most stylish cars of the late 50s, the 1958 Chevrolet Bel Air Impala Sport Coupe, for sale in Marlton, New Jersey, at $68,500. The 58 Impala was the first year for this iconic model, and it quickly became a symbol of late 50s American automotive design. This one has been fully restored and tastefully upgraded for both performance and comfort. Under the hood sits the 348 cubic inch V8 with the legendary tri-power carb setup, paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission and the original 3.55 posi-traction rear. That means plenty of smooth power and reliability for modern cruising. It also comes with aftermarket power steering, a vintage-style air conditioning system, and powered disc brakes, all upgrades that make this classic far easier to live with today. The exterior is simply stunning. Vibrant red paint, straight body panels, and gleaming chrome trim that looks showroom fresh. Inside, the red interior matches perfectly with seats, carpet, and dash all in pristine condition. Even the weather stripping has been replaced throughout. Top it off with Flowmaster exhaust for just the right rumble, and removable rear fender skirts for that authentic late 50s look, and you've got an Impala that blends classic elegance with modern performance. Cars like this aren't just collector's pieces, they're works of art. Number 4. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Moving on to a true legend, the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, listed in Lebanon, Ohio, at $100,000. This isn't just any Camaro, it's a real-deal numbers-matching Z28 with its born-with drivetrain, making it one of the most desirable first-gen Camaros on the market. Built in the third week of January, this X77 coated car comes in a rare color combination: Fathom green exterior paired with a green interior. Most green Camaros came with black interiors, so this combo makes it stand out even more. It's a no-spoiler, flat-hood car equipped with the original console, gauges, power steering, and power disc brakes. Even more impressive, it still has its chambered exhaust system and original smog pump intact, details that collectors love. The seller is the fourth owner and comes with a treasure trove of documentation: Protecto plate, chassis and body broadcast sheets, and copies of the previous owner's titles. That kind of paperwork adds serious value for any serious collector. At $100,000, this Camaro may not be for everyone, but for the right buyer, it's not just a car, it's an investment in American automotive history.
Number 5. 1985 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed, full restoration. And for the fifth car in Part 1, we've got something for the truck lovers. A freshly restored 1985 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed listed in Heath Springs, South Carolina at $31,900. Square body Chevys have skyrocketed in popularity over the last few years, and this one is about as nice as they come. With less than 500 miles since a complete restoration, it's basically brand new from bumper to bumper. Power comes from a fresh 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a smooth 700R overdrive transmission, making it perfect for highway cruising. Inside, you get a retro plaid interior that gives a nod to the 80s but feels crisp and new. Add in ice-cold AC and you've got comfort to match the style. The exterior is finished in slick new red paint that's guaranteed to turn heads. And it rides on 18-inch Riddler wheels wrapped in Nitto 555 performance tires for plenty of grip. Everything on this truck has been dialed in, from the suspension to the exhaust, and the seller says it runs, drives, and functions absolutely phenomenally. For just under $32,000, this C10 is the perfect blend of classic looks and modern reliability, and it's ready to be enjoyed right now. Number 6. 1970 Chevrolet Malibu, Classic Chevelle. Our first stop in Part 2 is the 1970 Chevrolet Malibu, listed in Peru, Indiana for $39,500. Now, don't let the Malibu name fool you. This car shares its DNA with the legendary Chevelle. In fact, it's powered by a 350 with a 4-speed Muncie transmission paired to a 10-bolt posse rear end. That means you're getting plenty of muscle car attitude with the driver involvement of a manual gearbox. The seller notes this car is in great driving condition, with power steering and power brakes making it easy to enjoy on the road. The underside looks original and clean, though there are a few small bubbles showing under the vinyl top and on the quarter panels, nothing unusual for a car of this age. What makes this Malibu appealing is that it's already a great driver's car as is, but it also offers the potential to take it to the next level with some restoration work. The seller is even open to trades, particularly for other GM muscle cars or high-quality vehicles. For under 40 grand, this Malibu is the perfect blend of classic looks and modern reliability, and it's ready to be enjoyed right now.
Number 7. 1954 Ford Sunliner Convertible. Next, we're heading to Mesquite, Texas for a beautiful 1954 Ford Sunliner Convertible, priced at $24,500. This drop top has been restored and looks like a time capsule from the mid-1950s. It features a rebuilt 292 engine mated to a 3-speed manual with overdrive, perfect for cruising with a little extra gear range when you hit the open highway. The car also has modern upgrades like a new dual master cylinder with cross-drilled front disc brakes and an aluminum radiator, ensuring it runs cool and stops safely. The interior is immaculate, black and red with no rips or tears, paired with a power-operated top that was redone during its restoration about 3 years ago. Everything works: lights, blinkers, wipers, horn, heater, even the license plate light. That level of detail shows real pride in the build. It's a perfect car for sunny weekend drives, parades, or car shows, and at this price point, it's a lot of fun and history without breaking the bank. Number 8. 1940 Deluxe Coupe. From the 50s, let's roll even further back to one of the most iconic pre-war cars ever, the 1940 Ford Deluxe Coupe, listed in Apple Valley, California at $79,000. This isn't just a restored classic, it's a high-end street rod build that spares no expense. Under the hood sits a massive 502 cubic inch motor paired with an automatic transmission, delivering modern performance in a timeless body. But the upgrades don't stop there. Ice-cold air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes, power seats, electric windows, and even door poppers. The interior is custom and luxurious, and yes, it even has a back seat, making it more practical than many hot rods. The attention to detail is staggering. The undercarriage components are fully chromed except for the frame, giving it a show-quality finish. The exterior pops in bright yellow with Boyd premium wheels, giving it that unmistakable hot rod stance. The seller says this car would have cost over $200,000 to build, making the asking price a fraction of the investment. For someone who wants a flawless, show-ready coupe with serious performance, this 1940 Ford is about as good as it gets.
Car number 9. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. Next up is one of the most beloved classics of all time, the 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Grosse Pointe, Michigan for $13,500. This Mustang is all about fun and performance. It comes with new stainless steel brake lines and brand new brakes, making sure it stops as good as it goes. The motor is the real highlight here, fitted with long tube headers, glass-packed mufflers, and a stout rear end. The seller calls it a car built to run and have fun, and that's exactly what it is. Cosmetically, it's finished in red with a matching red interior, and the seller emphasizes that it's solid, no rust, clean tailpipes, and even welcomes buyers to pull the carpet and inspect it themselves. That kind of confidence says a lot about the car's condition. At just over 13 grand, this Mustang is one of the most affordable ways to get into the classic car hobby, especially for someone who wants a driver with character rather than a trailer queen. Car number 10, 1967 Pontiac Le Mans. And to finish off part 2, we have the 1967 Pontiac Le Mans, listed in Lebanon, Maine for $24,990. The Le Mans is often overshadowed by its famous sibling, the GTO, but it offers a lot of the same style and performance at a fraction of the cost. This particular car is a true survivor with just 63,000 miles. It's powered by a 326 V8 paired with an automatic transmission, and it comes with factory bucket seats and a floor shift console. The seller has done plenty of recent work: new brakes, new shocks, fresh weather stripping, and door rubbers, making it ready for the road. The body still wears much of its original paint, complete with some patina that gives it a charming, well-loved look. What makes this car interesting is its versatility. You could keep it as a survivor and enjoy it as is. Give it a fresh paint job and boost its value by 15 grand or more, or even clone it into a GTO and potentially double its worth. Either way, this Le Mans represents a smart buy for someone who wants a piece of Pontiac history without paying GTO prices.
And that brings us to the end of our countdown of 10 unforgettable classics. From the raw power of the Chevelle SS 454 to the elegant lines of the '67 Pontiac Le Mans, every car we looked at today reminds us why vintage automobiles will never go out of style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you won't miss future episodes. We'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which car stole your heart today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the classics alive and the wheels turning.